Simple past tense power up. Simple past tense quiz part 3. 10 questions to test your skills. Question number 1. Last night I blah 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 my homework early so I could sleep more. A. Finish. B. Finishes. C. Finished. D. Finishing. The answer is C. Finished. Finish is a regular verb, so we simply add ed to form the past tense. Question number 2. We blah 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 a movie at the cinema last weekend. A. Watch. B. Watch it. C. Watches. D. Watching. The answer is watch it. The time expression last weekend indicates past time, so we use verb to watch it. Question number 3. The bird blah 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 away because it was scared. A. Fly. B. Flies. C. Flew. D. Flown. The answer is C. Flew. Flew is the past form or verb 2 of fly. This is an irregular verb. Question number 4. My mother blah 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 some oranges at the market this morning. A. Buy. B. Buys. C. Bought. D. Buying. The answer is C. Bought. Bought in the past form of buy. We use verb 2 because the event already happened this morning. Question number 5. Blah 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 they enjoyed the party last night. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. D. Was. The answer is C. Did. For questions in simple past tense, we always use the auxiliary verb did before the subject. Question number 6. I blah 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 hungry, so I didn't eat anything. A. Am not. B. Was not. C. Were not. D. Did not. The answer is B. Was not. Since hungry is an adjective, we use the past form of to be. For subject I, we use was. Question number 7. He blah 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 the window because it was getting cold. A. Close. B. Closes. C. Closed. D. Closing. The answer is C. Closed. Closed is the verb to form of close. This sentence describes a sequence of events in the past. Question number 8. We blah 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 at the library for 3 hours yesterday. A. Study. B. Studied. C. Studies. D. Studying. The answer is B. Studied. Explanation: for verbs ending in consonant plus Y, like study, the Y changes to EIED in the past tense. Question number 9. She blah 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 not see me when I waved at her. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. D. Was. The answer is C. Did. For negative sentences in the past with action verbs C, we use did not or didn't. Question number 10. They blah 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 to the teacher's explanation attentively. A. Listen. B. Listened. C. Listens. D. Listening. The answer is B. Listened. Listened is the past form of listen. Even without the time marker, the context indicates a past event. Quick summary: simple past tense rules, formulas for the positive subject plus verb 2, negative subject plus did not plus verb 1, interrogative did plus subject plus verb 1, and then question mark. Learning tips: regular verbs add ed, play, played, walk, walked, and then irregular verbs unique forms eat, ate, go, went, see, saw. Then answer key: 1. See, finished. B. Watched. Number 3. C. Flew. Number 4. C. Bought. Number 5. C. Did. Number 6. B. Wasn't. Number 7. C. Closed. Number 8. B. Studied. Number 9. C. Did. Number 10. B. Listened. Thank you and keep practicing.